My husband and I have been using these sensor cover patches for a few years now. One of my favorite features of these patches is that I can put it on by myself because the sticky pad is divided into 3 sections, so it's easy to take the center out, place it over your sensor, and then take the other 2 sticky pads off. Sometimes they get stuck a little bit, but eventually you can get them off. And also, I like that they are made of sort of a stretchy fabric material. So that way you can stretch it out and get it to where you want it and really shape it to touch your skin. This fabric moves with your skin very easily. The stickiness lasts as long as the sensor does. And it's just always worked for us. Whenever we're doing any kind of water sport or going to the beach or anything like that, we always put these over our glucose monitor sensor so that it's easy to not have to worry about losing them. And also, ladies, taking bras over and off your head, it really helps sensors stay on. So I highly recommend these to anyone needing a sensor.